Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to solve two questions. The first question is Fredo and array update. Okay, so Fredo is assigned a new task. He is given an array A containing n integers. His task is to update all elements of array to some minimum value x, that is A of I should be x, so such that A is in the range 1 to n. Okay, such that the sum of this new array is strictly greater than the sum of the initial array. Note that x should be as minimum as possible such that the sum of the new array is greater than the sum of the initial array. So to understand this problem better, let's go to the test case, the sample input output. Okay, here the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 4. How? The explanation says if we sum up all the elements in the array, it uh, gives us 15. So what is the minimum element such that if it is placed, if it is con- if all the elements are converted into that element, the sum is strictly greater than the previous sum. Here, if we take the value 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20, which is greater than 15. So how did we get 4? Say they have noted that if we had taken 3, then 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3 should have been equal to 15, which is not greater than equal to 15. Okay, so 4 is the minimum number that should be taken to get this value. So now how to solve this problem? This is a simple mathematical approach to this question. So if suppose there is also an array 1, 2, 3, 4 and 100. Okay, the sum of these values are 4, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 and 100, 110. Okay, now the thing is how to get the minimum value. That For this I have come up with a solution that at first we find the average of this value, and if we increase the average value by 1, automatically the sum of all the elements should be greater. Okay, suppose here the average, there the sum is 110 and there are 5 elements, so the average is 22. Now if I get 23, sorry, 23 instead of 22 5 times, okay, therefore the sum should be 115. This is strictly greater than the previous sum, and this is the minimum value we can take. Okay, so what is the first step? Find average, and then return average plus 1. That should be our answer. Here, for this sample test case, here the sum is 15, therefore the average is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So to code this question, at first we will need an array input. Error equal to list map int input dot split. Okay, so mistake, input dot split. Okay, now if I write a function minimum, mm, let's say func, and pass this array as parameter, then I write func definition taking error as parameter, So first we need to find the sum error. Then you need to find the average. Average should be the sum divided by length of error. You could have calculated by one step only. Sum of error by length of error, and integer division should be done. And we should return average plus 1. Okay, so to run this question, I'll give the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we'll get the output 4. If I run the question again and give input 1, 2, 3, 4, and 100, we'll get 23. So hope you have understood the question and the solution. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.